Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we just got our first snowfall and I still haven't changed the winter tires, so that's what we're gonna do today. And along with that, we're gonna be changing or taking off some parts as well, aka the lip and the side skirts. Let's go ahead and change this shit to winter mode. Get it ready for the snow. So the first thing we're gonna remove are the side skirts so I can jack up the car and remove the front lip. Shit is too low, bro. Way too low. And as y'all can see, we got snow. It's melted over there though. So what I'm gonna use to take off the clips that are in here is this. And first we have to take this clip off. So let's get a screwdriver. By the way, I just washed my car, especially for this video, but it's already dirty as you guys can see. It's all good. Got it. Okay. The good part is that most of the clips are already off. So we just have to take the ones. This one's already out. Oh, there's just this one we gotta take out. So I'm gonna use this. Worked the last time. Okay, pretty easy. And there's one in here. And there we go. Now we gotta do the other side. Hopefully that will be just as easy.
CHUKI got the sauce, bitch.
Now we're gonna take off the lip. So I got a few of the screws out. I'll show you guys how it looks underneath and what we're taking out. Those two screws, all the screws that are just basically holding up the lip right here, you know, all the way down. The lip actually held up pretty well throughout all the scrapes it went through. Okay, final piece of the puzzle is the tires now. So let's do that. So turns out I don't have the right tool to take off the wheels, but not to worry. I called my boy's shop. He said come right now, we'll change to winter tires. Already got the side skirts and the lip off, so it should be pretty easy. Alright, let's go to the shop. And we're here. Okay, so we just finished putting on the winter tires. Now I'm just on my way back home. And once I reach there, I'll show you guys how the winter tires look. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. I took off the lip and the side skirts, and now the car looks stock as fuck. I'm gonna leave the canards on, and I'm gonna leave the rear aprons on because I don't think it's gonna mess up in the snow. So it was just the lip and the side skirts that always came off. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and help me get 2,000 subscribers. Peace.